Okay, so let's have a look at step number 7, adjust for other expenses and gains. So in this question, if you want to identify what they are, just have a look and see if there's any expenses or gains at the start of the question. So we've got one here, 3 months premises insurance prepaid, 440 or 430. If you look down through the questions, we'll have premises insurance premium 300. And do we have anything at the end? No, we don't. So we've got a prepaid amount here of 340, and then we paid more than 3,000. So we're going to add those two together, and we got 3,430. This 430 is 3 months, so we only need another 9 months from this 3,000. So it's going to be 3,000 multiplied by 9 twelfths, gives us 2,250. That's all we need for this year. So we've overpaid by 750 for the following period. So you're going to take your 3,430, take away 750. That's going to go into your balance sheet as a current asset, and then your expense then for your insurance is going to be 2,680. Anything else? We've got due up here, we've got wages due, so that's going to go into your general expenses. So your general expenses in this question are 22,500. You're going to take away your wages due of 1,200. That was from the previous period. So that's going to give us 21,300, and that's going to go into your expense. Then have a look at the other one. So that's all your dues and prepayments up there. And then down here we've got heating oil, and we've got electricity due. So we need to do an adjustment on that. So our light and heat, as per the question, is 4,600. We have got stock of heating oil of 500. So we need to reduce that. So our light and heating is going to be 4,100 because we have 500 left over that we didn't use. So it's going to reduce the amount that we paid for it. Then we're going to have electricity due that has to be paid in this period. So that's going to be added on. So that's going to give us 4,740. That is, electricity due will be in your liability because we need to pay it. Remember, these questions that we divide it up, or certain expenses will be for drawings, and some won't. For this one here, it says that 25% of light and heat used should be attributed to the private section of the building. So we used 7,740. So you're going to get 25% of that, which is 1,185. That's going to go into your drawings. So you can reduce the expense by that amount, and that's going to give us 3,555. That's going to be your expense. Also, do your adjustment here for closing stock. So 15,500. Take away the heating oil because that wasn't part of our closing stock for purchases, part of our closing stock for our light and heat. So that gives us closing stock of 15,000. Then other adjustments. Let's see if there's any adjustments for drawings. So it said rent was in respect to the giant building rented by these guys, rented by Kelly. On the 1st of the 8th is payable in advance, and Kelly estimates that half of the building was used for private residence. So let's see where's our rent. So we got rent for 1 year of 22,800, so that's kind of paid in advance. Half of that was for private dwelling, so you will get half of it. So 11,400 will go into drawings, and 11,400 will be for your expense. So we start renting this in August. So we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've 5 months for this year, and the rest then is going to be a prepaid amount. So 5/12 of 11,400 is 4,750. That's your expense for this year. And what's left over then, take the 4,750, take away from 11,400. That's going to be your prepaid amount that goes into your balance sheet. there's no more adjustments for gains or expenses, so then you're going to